when you judge MasterChef, it leaves you 2 years younger because you laugh so much.
No, it's not that me 2 years younger at all. I think it lets me 10 years younger.
अच्छा और पूरा स्क्रिप्ट तक and it scares me because oh my god he's learning everything. मुझे चोरी करके बड़ा मजा आता है चीज का.
When I came in first time, it was quite daunting in a way क्योंकि कभी किया नहीं था इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म. पर वो था कि कुछ अच्छा करेंगे, कुछ चेंज डालेंगे, make it more interesting, try and celebrate India, celebrate the cuisine, celebrate the people of India, the culture and the cuisine, and celebrate the small households within India. जो हम रोज खाना खाते हैं घरों में, वही था मेरा मेन मकसद कि मैं वही आके दिखा सकूं और लोगों को पहुंचा सकूं. Most of our contestants जो हैं यहाँ पे are from small towns, and you know they come with very pure hearts and they got very clean hands to cook and very nice flavors in them. So that's been the real awakening of Indian cuisine from the smaller parts of India, and I think we must celebrate that because there's so much to offer into the small little cities, small little towns. When you see the small little kids who just walk into the studio sometimes with shining eyes and say कुछ करना है, कुछ करके दिखाना है. What I take away as an individual is a lot of sense of pride of being a Hindustani and being able to get those स्वाद which तो दादी नानी बनाती है घरों में और जो गांव में मिलता है. So that is the flavor and essence which I am taking off from these places. Fortunately, we travel within India for the show, and you get to experience them on a first-hand basis. And that's been incredible. Oh, he is funny, and he's funny, and he's funny, and he's funny, and he's funny. No, besides that, I think he has, besides being funny, he's got a great heart. He's got a very good sense of humor, very genuine warmth, and I think I get the biggest hugs from him. So I'm pretty pleased. And last thing, मेरा छोटा भाई हो, I just found that out. No, it's not that me 2 years younger at all. I think it lets me 10 years younger. I'm still laughing, for God's sake. No, it is. There's not a day at the set where we haven't begun our day with laughter and not ended the day with a laughter. And numerous number of laughters throughout the day. During our shoot times, during our retake times, during our pickup line time, during our tasting time, there's always been a sense of joy, a sense of camaraderie, a sense of love and affection between the judges. And that shows also with our contestants. It is pure joy, it's pure love, and every day is full of laughter.
You know we got what you need, baby, so take it move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along.
Season 2.
It's
It's always been, will always be. I think the first time was emotional होता है ना, because uncertainty is very powerful. Always will be. And Visakhapatnam shoot when I got off the car, and because that was the only season my grandmother watched me, so that was the only season which meant so much to me.
Come on. Rolling on it high.
You see the transition of the country through this lens. You see something amazing, which you see the transformation happening, the knowledge, information. The world is opening up. I think that is the biggest change I'm seeing over the last 10 years. Season 6, I think Vijay and she walked in, and there was an elderly lady from Patiala in the audition. She didn't make it to the next round. Something about her food touched me. It always happens every year that you get something which is so pure and sacred on the show, and which some people, the contestants, have waited for so long just to feed you a bite of their food. That moves me more than many things on the show. Of course, Vineet, Ranveer, the directors, the people, there's so many people who actually put the show together. And the fifth thing for me has always been going to the kitchen pantry and stealing nuts and Amul cheese. That has always been my highlight.
Come on, and move along. Come on, said babe.
Oh, I didn't know he's so forgetful. Can't remember any line. Can't remember, for saving his life also he can't remember. And not that I'm any better, but कुछ नहीं याद रहता उनको. It's a blank canvas. And my best memory of him is always going to be when I go to his room in the morning to say good morning, chef. And he's always reading a script. I don't know what he's reading, but he's actually holding the script. Like script पर मतलब क्या गिनती हो रही होती है, कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा होता है. And it has given me shock of my life because I feel, oh my God, इतना homework हो रहा है यहाँ पे यार.
और जब कैमरा रोल होता है तो
0. But you choose to spend more time with me. If you count the number of hours you spend with me on the show, you are stuck in this bad company because it's very contagious.
You are an awful company. You are a very bad influence in my life, and I need to get out from here and not see you for the next 2 days. And then I miss you again. And I want to again meet you.
I said, babe.
5 things about him.
Very intelligent. Very intelligent. I've hardly met people who are so bright. Very multifaceted. There's a reason he is leaving the industry. There's a reason he leaves the industry.
I think Ranveer is very special for all of us here. I believe his inputs have been phenomenal. I have learned a lot from him. How to deliver a few lines. Whatever
Never.
few I can say.
Nothing worked.
Whatever still.
Nothing worked.
That's a job, bad influence.
मैं तो कहता हूँ लाइनें काट लो मेरी तो
हम तो ये बोलते हैं कि हमारी लाइन काट के रणवीर को दे दो कि वो जल्दी करेगा आगे करके खड़ जाए. Having said that, now Ranveer, 5 things about Vikas.
5 things about Vikas. For me, this season is very special because, you know, I was at a lot at ease because you are at a different stage in your life and you're doing things because you want to do them and you love doing them. And so I got to look into things a lot deeper and also look into Vikas and you a lot deeper. And I think there's one thing for me Vikas stands out for is he's his best friend, but he's also his worst enemy. If there's a definition of a one-man army, it's this guy. You know, it's this guy who at any point in time will stand in the middle of everything and say, "Bring it on." I've seen it before, and I've been by myself, and I've done it myself, and I will see it again. I think that is something that is very special about him. Second is, it's very difficult to find people who are sensitive in today's world. क्या होता है ना कि एक ब्रश ऑफ इनसेंसिटिविटी एंड प्रैक्टिकलिटी हम सबके ऊपर टाइम के साथ चढ़ता रहता है और वी लूज आवर सेंसिटिविटी एंड क्रिएशन हैपेंस फ्रॉम absorption. He soaks in a lot of things, even if he doesn't say. And that's something that has only grown many folds in between the Vikas I met last and Vikas I know now. Third is, जैसे भाटी साहब ने कहा, he is genuinely funny. Genuinely funny.
He doesn't take anything serious.
The funniest person, I have to say, I have not laughed from, मतलब मेरे लिए बहुत आसान है हंसना. कि कैमरा पे इतनी बार हंसते ना, इस शो पे मैं अंदर से हंसा हूँ और इतना मैं अंदर से ना पिछले 10 साल में नहीं हंसा हूँ. फ्रॉम माई स्ट्रगल्स इन द यूएस मोर 15 साल से नहीं हंसा हूँ मैं
इतना हंसे कि आंखें आंसू निकले.
या एंड आई हैव नेवर, मतलब ये होता है ना, देयर इज अ स्टेट ऑफ ट्रांस इन लाफ्टर कि बॉस व्हाट इज टुमारो डजंट मैटर, यस्टरडे डजंट मैटर. दैट स्टेट ऑफ ट्रांस इज व्हाट थ्रू लाफ्टर इज समथिंग दैट आई सीन. एंड आई थिंक about Bhatia Saab, for me, it's just an amazing soul. When you want to just acknowledge and remind yourself of the fact that good people will always cook good food. और अगर दिल अच्छा नहीं है तो खाना अच्छा नहीं बना सकते आप, जो मर्जी कोशिश कर लो. The other thing that I will definitely take back from Bhatia Saab is एक अनकंडीशनैलिटी होती है ना, वो या दैट सेंस ऑफ अनकंडीशनैलिटी व्हिच इज वेरी रेयर इन टुडे. वेरी इंडियरिंग. बट ओवरऑल आई थिंक, यहाँ पे भी मैं ही ज्यादा बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे ये लगता है कि it's been for me, it's been an honor to just have stood besides people of a stature that I stood besides. You know,
I think it's mutual from both of us.
And
to be here together and share this beautiful platform.
Yeah.
To showcase lovely food.
And all the memories that we've created are outstanding. Even with Vikas's short-term memory, he's going to remember a couple of things for sure. But honestly, I never thought that I'd be able to stand to two people of your stature. I'm a बहुत छोटा हूँ, my journey is still very I am not there, but I'm on a journey, and I'm so early in my journey to be able to stand with people who are far more evolved than I am, and the stature that both of you are. It's an honor to be just sitting here next to you and to know you personally as people more than as chefs.
Hey,